Children, how are you all? Hope all you are fine. And for class 3 children, today I am going to tell textual exercises from the English subject. That is from If I Could Be an Astronaut. From this poem I am going to tell textual exercises. Okay, so all of them open page number 36 and complete. Do along with me. Okay, now here first bit, what is the first bit here? Talk about this in class. Okay, here they given some questions, we need to discuss these questions. Okay, so first, why does the poet wish to be an astronaut? Why does the poet wish to be an astronaut? Because he want to know about the other planets. Okay, so he want to see the earth. Okay, he want to see the earth and he want to see the exterior of the earth. Okay, so what will be there? So what will be there beyond the earth? He just want to know. So only astronauts can go about the sky. That is the reason the poet want to wish to be an astronaut. Okay, what does the poet want to do in this place? What does he want to do? He just want to see place where he just want to see a place where fish have feathers, a place where trees can walk. That's where I'll land my spaceship and take a weightless walk. Okay, so this type of things he want to see on this place. Okay, next, what kind of place would you like to visit? How would that place be different from where you live now? So just choose any place. Like here now presently we are living in Hyderabad, right? So here the poet want to visit the other place. So if it means everyone we will have imagination in us to visit the other places. Yes, so how that place should be different from where we are living. So suppose we are living in Hyderabad. Okay, so we will choose a place of Jammu and Kashmir we will choose. So how the climate will be there it will be very cool. Okay, so everything, food, climate, everything will be different from where we are living. Yes, so how would that place be different from where you live now? Yes, Jammu and Kashmir is it's different from where we live now. Okay, now next, write words from the poem that rhyme with these words. Okay, so from the poem we need to do this rhyme words. Okay, first one, good. What we will write? Could. Good, could. COUL, could. COUL, could. Okay, next, full. Full, full. Full, full. Okay, next, go. Go, what is a rhyming word for go? Go, snow. Go, snow. Okay, next, mind. Mind, kind. Kind, KIND, kind. Kind. Mars, stars. Mars, stars. STARS, stars. Okay, now next, space. Space. Space rhyming word. Space rhyming word, place. PLACE, place. Okay, right, place. Space, place. PLACE, place. There, where. There, where. WHERE, where. There, where. Wish, fish. Here it is there, fish. FISH, fish. FISH, fish. Okay, next, hand, land. Hand, land. LAND, land. LAND, land. Next, talk, walk. Talk, walk. WALK, walk. Okay, finish. Once again I will repeat. So what is a bit here? Write words from the poem that rhyme with these words. Okay, next, good, could, good, could, pull, full, pull, full, go, snow, go, snow, 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 mind, kind, 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 Mars, stars, STARS, stars. Okay, next, space, place, 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 space, place, 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 there, where, 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 there, where, WHERE, where. Next, wish, fish, 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 wish, fish, the FISH, fish, hand, land, 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 hand, land, 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 talk, walk, 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 talk, walk, WALK, walk. Yes, next, draw a picture of the most beautiful place you can think of, color it, describe the place to your class, describe the place to your class. So choose any beautiful place from the social textbook or any book. Choose a beautiful place, like, or if not, draw Qutub Minar, Char Minar. Okay, so choose any place and color them. Okay, and describe the place to your class. Okay, so by send a voice message by describing the or take a video by showing that picture. You just give a description, like how I'm doing, just the same way you children also do. Draw a picture, color them, make it beautiful, and then just discuss that place. Yes, so this is all about today's class, children. Hope all you have understand. Complete this and see you in the next class, children. Take care.